Reyes again for 1 bucks. Rebound de Adaremos. Out of bounds. Reyes again for Team 1 bucks. Looking at his teammates. Passing in Sanjigan, back to Reyes. Shot clock violation for 1 bucks. Three for Nara, in and out. Another for Nara. Steal by 1 bucks. Cruz. Foul in the act of shooting for a 2-point opportunity at the free throw line. First personal foul for Mark Banigos. And of course, shout out to our medic, the future of sports clinic.
Basketball, tapos nag-badminton tayo.
Adaremos again gets a 3-point play opportunity.